is your ideal leader? So, back in September, we had a group project called Pelima. Pelima is a project that included the entire grade 10. This means that our teammate could vary from our classmates to total strangers. In this chaos of differences, my ideal leader was the one that was able to bring us all together. Leadership is something only a few people are born with. We tend to hear that, maybe even think that a lot. But contrary to popular belief, everyone is a leader. We all take a leadership role, no matter how big or small, from leading a country to leading our own life. Now, voluntarily or forced upon, being a leader means that we have to empower, influence, and guide others. To do well and succeed in this role means that we have to unite and be one to achieve our goal together. As we all know, humans are social creatures. We often call for each other's help in our day-to-day lives in order to fulfill our needs. Oftentimes, we tend to feel alone amongst new people. As a leader, we need to remind our teammates to begin the end in mind and that we are striving toward a shared goal. Furthermore, to work efficiently together, a relationship must be born. Building a relationship with our teammates must be based on trust. A common saying says that trust is like glass. Once it is broken, it's never the same. Trust is valuable and easily crushed. You can't just trust anyone, right? For example, you wouldn't just let a stranger hold your money or your purse. To earn someone's trust, we have to communicate our actions and intentions. You have to be transparent, proven to be reliable, and most importantly, honest. No one trusts a liar. Even when it's difficult, telling the truth is the foundation of trust. And lastly, synergizing. Quoting from the book, The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People by Stephen Covey. Synergizing is creating a collaborative environment where the combined efforts of individuals produces a result greater than the sum of their individual efforts. So my interpretation is that working together makes a bigger difference than working alone. This message that Stephen Covey says really captures the essence of leadership. So leaders, building this unity is in what my opinion makes a leader great. I hope that this speech will be able to implement changes in our day-to-day lives. Thank you so much for your time.